You can do it. You can make it.
But you can make it, you're talking about.
Yeah. I told you I'm Guaptonian there. Alright? Something you're just gonna have to get used to. So guapo.
I am both. Dami talagang kalokohan nitong asawa ko.
Oh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Nope.
You understand what I said?
Nope. It was good though.
I already
Right?
I already teach you yesterday what kalokohan is. Kalokohan.
I forgot. I'm old.
That's naughtiness, your naughtiness. Hi, Del's Corner Channel. Thumbs up lang ako, sis. Mag-live din ako mamaya. Okay, Sisi, thank you. Thank you very much sa thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. I made a video before. How many months ago? Here about. Yeah. And it was a little bit cloudy. And yeah. And there's two guys go fishing on the other side. Yeah. They have two fishing poles.
That was last year, wasn't it?
I guess that's last year. And there's another one right there before that go fishing. Hmm. $30 minutes. Wanna go home now?
Yes. You want to take my medicine?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, I'm gonna take videos first before going home. I'll show my viewers around the beach again. We have plants here. Oh, it's so hot. Yung sand niya may pagka-pink. Pink, orange, something like that. Dahil yan sa shell. Oh, may surfer din. It's so hot now. Nagagawa ng asawa ko.